Welcome back. Markets are mixed today. Take a look at oil, for example. The International Energy Agency warning that it expects demand growth to slow down for a second straight year. Joining us right now on the phone is Price Futures Group analyst, Fox News contributor Phil Flynn. And Phil, oil at 53 and change right now. Your thoughts on this report?
You know, I mean, there's no doubt that they're expecting demand to slow a little bit, but a lot of that is because of what we saw in Russia, in India earlier in the year. You know, right now, India had some currency movements that slowed their oil demand a little bit, but I don't think it's indicative of overall demand growth. Even with that slowing demand, the International Energy Agency is saying that right now the global oil market is very close to being in balance, and if OPEC continues her production cuts, we could actually fall into a supply deficit later this year.
Hey, Phil, it's Robert. How are you? What do you think?
Robert, good.
Nice to see you. What do you think OPEC continues to say based on output? And do you think they actually stay within what they're saying? You know, it seems like some people, they go outside, you know, they make a statement, then they do what they want.
Well, I think at this point you cannot underestimate the resolve of OPEC. I mean, they've shocked everybody. Even the International Energy Agency says that their compliance is at 99%. Other private forecasters say it's even higher than that, 104%. So anybody who underestimates OPEC's resolve really has got it wrong. And if you look at the non-OPEC compliance, it's improving dramatically, and that bodes very well for an extension of cuts at this OPEC meeting in May. So
what do you think? Where do you think they're? At what price are they happy? Do you think over the next 6-month period?
They want to see oil trade to $60 a barrel, and I think people they keep talking about the increase in U.S. oil output. They're not afraid of that. They realize that it's going to take time for U.S. and non-OPEC producers to match their cuts. And even with the slower demand growth of 1.3 million barrels a day, that's going to mean a much tighter market and higher prices for the cartel.
All right, we'll leave it there. Oil right now down just a fraction this morning. Phil Flynn, good to see you. Thanks so much.